In this video, I'll guide you through how to switch Google Calendar views so you can see your schedule in the way that works best for you. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to log in first. Once you're signed in, you should see your main Google Calendar page with your events laid out and today's date highlighted. Now, the key to switching views is found near the top right corner of the screen. Look for a small set of buttons or labels that typically say things like day, week, month, and year. Depending on your screen size, these options might be written out in full or grouped into a drop-down menu. If you're on a smaller screen or have the window narrowed, you might see a single button that you can click to expand and reveal all the view choices. Today, I'll show you how to actually use these options. Start by clicking on day. This view is ideal when you want a focused look at your schedule for a single day, hour by hour. It's especially helpful if you have a lot of appointments or meetings and need to see exactly when you're free. Next, try switching to the week view. Click on week near the top right. Now you'll see an overview of all 7 days, usually starting on Sunday or Monday, depending on your settings. And this is great for planning your work week or seeing how busy you are across multiple days. You can still see the time slots on the side, but now they stretch across the entire week. From there, click on month. The month view zooms out and shows you a classic calendar grid with all the days of the month visible at once. This is perfect for bigger picture planning like vacations, deadlines, or recurring events. If you notice the calendar looks a bit crowded, remember that you can click on any specific day to see more details. You can also choose the year view by clicking on year. This will show you all 12 months at a glance. It's not meant for detailed scheduling, but it's helpful when you want to quickly jump to a different month in the future or get a sense of your year as a whole. I'm going to walk you through one more tip that makes using these views even smoother. After you've chosen a view, you can move forward or backward in time using the left and right arrows near the top left of the page next to the date. These arrows let you jump to the next day, week, month, or year, depending on which view you're in. And if you ever get lost, just click the Today button to snap right back to the current date. That's all there is to it. By using the day, week, month, and year options at the top right of Google Calendar, you can quickly switch views and manage your time in the way that suits you best.